Did you know people are making hundreds of thousands of dollars selling logos online? And what if I told you that you could do the same, earning up to $450 a day without designing a single logo yourself? Thanks to AI, creating professional logos is now quick and easy. And today I'm going to show you how you can start making money with this method, just like so many others are doing right now. But before we get started, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. If you get value from this video, consider subscribing and turning on notifications. It's free, and you can always change your mind later. Plus, it ensures you'll be among the first to know when I share a fresh strategy to make money online, maximizing your chances to benefit and make the most money. Not only can you make money using this method, but you can also create professional logos for your business or company. Step 1. Choose your logo style. The first thing you need to do is decide what kind of logo you want. Logos come in several forms. 1. Word mark. A word mark logo is entirely text-based, where the brand name itself is the centerpiece. For example, think of iconic brands like Google, Coca-Cola, or Visa. These companies use their full names as the logo, but what makes them memorable is the unique font and style they've chosen. Google's logo, with its colorful and playful letters, reflects innovation and creativity. Coca-Cola's flowing script captures a classic, timeless feel, while Visa uses a sleek, modern font to inspire trust and professionalism. 2. Lettermark. A lettermark logo, also known as a monogram, is designed around a brand's initials, making it an ideal choice for businesses with long or complex names. By simplifying the full name into just a few characters, this type of logo creates a clean, minimalist identity that's easy to recognize and remember. Take a look at brands like IBM, which is International Business Machines, CNN, that is Cable News Network, or HBO, which is Home Box Office. Instead of using their full company names, which are quite long, they use their initials to create a concise, impactful logo. 3. Iconic. This is a symbol-based logo, which doesn't rely on text, but instead uses a recognizable image or icon to represent the brand. Example. Some examples of this logo format are Apple, Nike's swoosh. These logos are instantly recognizable by their unique symbols alone. 4. Combination mark. This form combines both letters and symbols, giving you the flexibility of a word mark or letter mark along with a distinctive graphic. And examples are Pepsi, Adidas, Burger King. These logos use both text and an icon, making them more versatile and memorable. Think about how you want your logo to look. Do you want it to be text-based, initial-based, symbolic, or a combination mark? Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate a logo prompt. Next, log into ChatGPT and ask it to give you a prompt that will help you create your logo. Here's an example of what you can ask. Help me with a prompt. I want to create a logo for my purpose, what the logo is for, and the name of my business is name. I would like the logo to be in form, the style of logo you prefer, like combination mark, word mark, etc. For example, I want my logo in the combination mark form. Don't worry, I'll also include this prompt in the video description for you. Step 3. Create your logo with Ideogram. Once you have your prompt, head over to Ideogram. If you're new, simply sign up with your email or Google account. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT into Ideogram, and be sure to set the dimensions to 1:1 for the best results. Then, click Generate. In just a few moments, you'll see your professional logos appear like magic. Step 4. How to make $450 creating logos. Now, let's talk about how you can make $450 with this method. There are businesses and individuals who are paying to have logos created, and you can tap into this demand. Check out platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, where freelancers are making money by creating logos for others. For example, look at this seller on Fiverr who charges $65 per logo. But since we are new, let's make it $45. They have already completed over 1,000 orders. Let's do some quick math. If just 1% of those 1,000 customers, that's 10 people, buy logos at $45 each, that equals $450. And if they can do it, so can you. With AI tools and platforms like Fiverr, making cool cash by creating logos is not only possible, but easier than ever. If you're still here, then you might like to check out this video over here, where I break down how I made $50,000 selling stickers online. The easiest side hustle. It doesn't really overlap with the stuff in this video, but it will give you another exciting idea for making money online with minimal effort. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you hopefully in the next video. Bye-bye.